Welcome back into this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can downgrade your Windows 11 to Windows 10. So maybe you have installed the Windows 11 on your computer and you have seen that your Windows 11 installed on your computer is not working well and you want to go back to Windows 10 easily. So you can do this easily and downgrade it as you have upgraded to Windows 11 without any complications or without needing to uninstall the Windows and installing another Windows. So what you need to do is to downgrade. So follow the steps and see how you can do this. So first of all, if you did not subscribe to this channel, Max TV, please subscribe now. Like this video, share this video to a friend, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at Max TV. So now, let's get started. So now I'm going to go to my computer and I search. So I search. When I go to my computer, I search what I want to find out. So I may search. For example, I search here. I go to here and search recovery or Windows recovery. So when I type recovery, you can see. Now I wait for this. So they bring here recovery options. As you can see, they are recovery options. So here. So now then if the recovery options, you can click here and see the recovery options. You see now reset this PC back, choose the to keep or remove your personal files. This you can use this when you are resetting your PC back to the normal conditions, or you can also go back and do this as you have seen this recovery option. Yes, recovery. So now when I click recovery, you see recovery options. So where I click recovery options, so if this version is not working well, back to Windows 10. So you see now I'm using Windows 11, but I can go back to Windows 10. When I want to go back to Windows 10, I'm going to click here and go back to Windows 10. So it will start installing and start bringing the features that may help me to install this Windows 10 to my computer. So means I will be moving from the Windows 11 I'm using now to Windows 10. So now all I can do, let me go back there so I can choose recovery. When I type recovery, so I can see recovery. So when I type recovery, you see I got the recovery options. So now we want to get the recovery options in the various ways, which is different. You can type this and choose also. You see now you get the same. So this is now how you can do this if you want to go back to Windows 10 while using Windows 11. And if you want, if you see that your Windows installed 11 in your computer is not working well as you expected, you can go back to Windows 10 so that you can be using a computer well and can be functioning well as the way you want. So this is how you can do this. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn the notification bell button notification so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Subscribe, like, and share. So Max TV, we share you tutorials which helps you to know more about technology. So thank you very much. Keep watching these tutorials.